Welcome back to my channel. Oh, that's beautiful. I am beautiful. I'm just sitting here about to edit this video, finish up editing this video today, okay? Because I have to make sure I get this video out to you guys tomorrow, okay? Yeah. So I basically just wanted to welcome you guys to the vlog. And why is the bell steady going off? It's been a lot of traffic lately. Anywho, I just wanted to welcome you guys to the vlog, and quick update, I am reading 2 books, which is The Wife Before and One Dark Summer. One Dark Summer is the book that I started off with, which I am on like the 5th chapter, but The Wife Before, I am on chapter 25. I'm on chapter 25 and I just started that book, and I started One Dark Summer first, like earlier in August, because The Wife Before is an audiobook, so I'm able to read that book while I'm going to work, at work, coming home. So yeah, so this video may be a bit everywhere because I have been busy. I had a wedding, my husband's birthday, the kiddos was going back and forth to school, and I had to work and run business and run my home, so I have a lot going on. But I just made sure that I put last week all up in this video, okay? And I wish I could have took my vacation like I normally do around this time. That way I have more time to spend with the kids right before they go to school. But lately it's just been like go, 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 go. So I'm thankful, but I'm just letting y'all know, don't judge me, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna finish editing this video, and like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Don't forget. Oh, y'all like my hair? This is the same wig. I just had to switch it up because if I didn't, I was gonna
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and that she could laugh of a little lies to tell yourself it right. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams, 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 living in my dreams.
husband's birthday. We're celebrating him today. I've been working like crazy. Mind you, I work a 9 to 5 and with a commute back and forth an hour, and I still make time not only show up for my friends, show up for my family, my husband. Back to school is coming, so I am balancing it all out. This is why it's so important for like self-care. Let me turn this air down. I feel like I'm screaming. I'm sorry if y'all heard that air blowing like that. A lot going on, but I still choose to show up. And one thing that I said I want to commit to is really showing up for my viewers. Here I am juggling my life in front of you guys, balancing it out. I'm getting my husband away a little bit today, so I'm gonna take him out to eat to our favorite little spot, Cooper's Hawk, and then we're gonna get away to a nice little. So tomorrow when we get back home, I have to make sure I get the kids. I have to make sure I get the kiddos school clothes, book bags, everything is refreshed for them to return back to school. Yeah, so tomorrow's basically gonna be crunch time. I have to just clean and just do all the mom stuff. I have not had time to like physically read. I started another book, but it's an audio read. I'm gonna read both of those. So that is what I gotta do like in my self-care time, like pouring to me, so that I can be able to show up for everybody else. Get in. Sorry I got y'all on this weird angle. Let's see if he want to say hi. He's so fun. You want to say hi to the vlog?
What's up?
Okay, so I talk to y'all later. So this is my way of pouring back into myself when I get off work. I just got off work as well. So when I get off work, I like to just wind down and just took a nice bath. I just did my face a full refresh. And yeah, so we did the wedding. We took my husband out for his birthday. And now the kids' first day of school was today. I couldn't be here because I had to work. But my husband did a great job with sending them off to school. I did wash all their clothes, their blankets. I did everything. But I just wanted to go in there and just refresh their stuff. Just put their linen on the bed, hang up their clothes. I'll be done with that. I want their week to go back smoothly. And then I can't be here in the morning to send them off to school. So I need this to go like very smoothly. So I just had to pour into myself. I'm about to complete the boys' room. I made myself some like, well, not just myself, but me and my family, of course. I had some like baked chicken, greens, smoked turkey tails, macaroni. I'm only eating like the baked chicken, the greens, and smoked turkey tail simply because I am evolving in this new lifestyle. Yeah, so today is actually my injection day. I have my injection right here. I was getting ready to do that, and also, yeah, go in the boys' room, just refresh it, put their linen on the bed, hang their clothes up, and then for the rest of the night, I can relax and read my book. I'm currently on One Dark Summer, but I also started an audio book, started another one of my thrillers, The Wife Before. So those two books, One Dark Summer and then The Wife Before. I don't overwhelm myself with books because I am truly a busy person, but this is what I choose to do on my downtime. So if I can get a book or two in a month, that's what I'm gonna do. And let me take my injection, go continue being a busy mom for about, I'm just gonna give it an hour. My property got damaged by the storm, so that's something like personal that we like handling outside of everything that's been going on. But so far, thank God, everything is covered, everything is taken care of. Let's get to our injection. This is my 9th injection. I started out at 161 pounds. I am currently 142 pounds. When I get my GLP-1 videos all together, then y'all may see this again or whatever, but yeah, it'll be more like a intimate video, me sitting down really like telling you guys about it and my journey on it. But I want to wait until I reach my goal weight. I would show you guys, but no, we're not doing that. And just like that. Okay, we're done. We're done. I'm not sure if y'all want to go in the boys' room with me, but this is me balancing it out. I have to do it so that I can get the videos out to you guys. So I guess I'll just show a little bit. Little bit. Father, I pray that you forgive me for all of my sins.
Bury my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good.